So before we start our next big project, we got a few family members to help out. Watch us transform this bathroom for my mother and brother-in-law, and watch it look nice.
I'm about to get ready to rip this ceiling down right here so that can be a little higher, and we're gonna see what we working with. That was easy. The lights just unclipped that was under there, and those panels lifted right off. I'm about to peel this track off right here, and then see what's going on with this ceiling. It's gonna have to get patched up. Got an exhaust fan right here, and this outlet right there is actually controlled by that switch. Take a look at this weak wall right here. Time to do the rest. Alright, so got everything tore up. It actually came off pretty easy. Just figuring out if they want me to tear this off. And then off the top right there too. It could just be sprayed white and it could be cool. See got the layer down right there, so I might have to take this layer down too.
Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused.
Got everything knocked out. I moved the vanity up out of here. So now I was able to get those tiles out of there nice and neat. Definitely gonna have to do something with this pipe right here, because it's clogged. So I'm gonna have to snake that out. Probably some new shutoffs maybe. New drywall there, new drywall there. Green board in there, and then patch these walls, patch the cracks, and all these other spots. Paint it, do the floor, we finish the tub, get the new vanity in. Gonna be good to go, baby. You're masked up, PPE first. So just make sure you keep a mask if you do not want to breathe in none of that crazy dust. And have some ventilation too for extra care. I'm about to get ready to start snaking this drain right here. And I tried to get off this little nut that's right here on this plastic fitting. Try to heat it up, and as I turned it, the whole thing turned. Now look what we have here. A broken pipe, and it's full of crap. So I'm about to heat that bad baby up, see if I can twist that up out of there. Hope we won't have no more issues with that. And put me a new drain piece right there. Let's get it. There we go. Eureka. Nice hot wire. Got this bad baby, y'all look at that. That's all rusted. That was gonna break next. So hopefully a new one can screw right up in here. I'm pretty sure it can with all this dirt and stuff in here. And so I just remembered I gotta snake this drain out too. So I actually just pulled this off of here, and it's actually a rubber band. So there's a rubber band tied around here along with some hair. Drywall up. As you can see, we got a whole bunch of measurements going on. Trying to make this one piece. See how that boy, this would be one sheet. Boop. Measure that over there, cut that up, that tub part out. And then got the little corner right here, got a window right here. And then this spot right here is gonna be a little space.
Shawty say she love me, and that's just straight. 40 on me in the 380, my throwaway. You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. City getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Niggas tryna beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave your ass wide open.
So my task right now is to replace this glass in this door right here. See, I got my window and door caulk right there. Kind of caulk those seams, and now I pre-cut my glass already. We using Alexin. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this paper off and put it right into that spot. And then I'm gonna add probably some more caulk and then put those trim pieces back on there. So let's get it. Alrighty, so the bathroom looking a million times better now. I got everything just primed and painted right now. It's looking real good. I know I don't have to prime like the inside of the shower, but I still like to paint it just because. So we can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go slide out my dog Chuck, help him with their new crib.
They just got a new 3 family too. So shout out to everybody around us that getting into the real estate and want to learn a few things too and grow. So shout out to y'all. I'm gonna slide over there, help him when I'm done coating this, and then I'm gonna come back over here. Just started cleaning the tub right here. About to get ready to respray it.
Y'all see those stains right there? They just wouldn't come out, so we're gonna see what it look like.
I got it all sanded down, so I'm gonna let it dry. Just super cleaned it.
All right, so this is the first coat. All right, so this is coat number 2. All right, so this is after. It looked really good. It scared me for a little bit there, but there we go. Finished product. Look a million times better than what it looked like before.
All right, y'all, so we got these walls painted, and this look real good, man. Going with the stone gray. Got some semi-gloss. Look how the light bounce off of that. Nice. Damn, that look pretty good. I'm about to actually go ahead and tackle this floor now. Extreme Performance waterproof flooring. Let's see. 100% waterproof, pet-proof, kid-proof, attached pad, reduce the sound, and increase comfort. Easy DIY, click install. We're gonna see commercial grade durability. Let's see how hard or easy it is to do. So I just had this floor down, but I actually just had to pull it up because I realized that one box of this tile that I put down actually got a yellow tinge to it, which is really weird. Y'all can see like the difference between them 2 tiles right there. See what I can call it. And then versus the one back there is like white, so that's like really weird. Floor finish, walls painted. See, I'm putting up these shower walls right here, so we had a slight issue with this one right here. This one didn't want to stay on the wall, so see I had to make a jig right here to keep that wall straight. These wall panels right here is next to be glued. I didn't glue them just yet because I want to pretty much tuck point these windows, put more mortar in the bottom and the sides of it, adding like trim to the edges or something like that because it just looked ugly. So like down here it'll be flush, but as you go up, you'll see is a lip right there because they didn't install this window straight. So we're gonna see how we're gonna do it. It's a little fun little journey so far, but I'm ready to go work on my own house. So y'all see we got pure chaos up in here right now. End up getting this end piece on right here. I had to cut it from the other panel. It actually would have went on this back wall if this was a regular tub, but it's not. So I went ahead, I had to buy a $60 blade just so I could be able to cut this material and not have it, you know, chip off and have it a little sheared. And it's actually turned out pretty good, man. So that's a $60 cut. Only thing I do not like, this wall is a little wonky. It ain't like perfectly straight. So you can see up here at the top, I got them to actually meet up pretty good. But down here at the bottom, you can see there's a lip right there and that looks so ugly to me, man. So I actually hate that did that, and this was supposed to be in a little bit more. So what I'm gonna have to do here is just add some caulk and kind of smooth it out and have it looking nice. But hey, it looked good. I went ahead and redid the mortar in this window right here. This was like a lip right here. I pretty much made it flush going over to that edge so you don't see that rough edge. Right here at the top, this wall actually moved a little bit because I didn't know. Just bracing it would actually help that adhere a little bit better. But what happened is it just moved a little bit. Like this one is set now. I actually like having this mortar on these edges because that's waterproof also. I might still just add some caulk to it, but I really don't want to mess up like the look of it. But this turned out real good. I just went ahead and just redid all the other lines too. I really only had to do the edges, but the insides was like dirty. So might as well have the whole thing looking fresh. And then I went ahead and threw some caulk around there too, so that looked nice and clean. Around that edge, all I gotta do now is add caulk here, but I'm gonna do that after I take these down. I know I'll be trying to be a perfectionist or whatever, but I just want the look of stuff to look a whole lot better. So y'all see how I did that angle right there and it actually dripped along the edge right there? Even though that gap is gonna get caulk, I really wanted that to come around that edge to look a whole lot cleaner, but it is what it is. I hit that curve right there. If y'all wondering how I got that curve, I pretty much just measured from this end and up by increments. And I just took that measurement and put it on the thing itself, and then I kind of traced it out and got that perfect cut. Now it is time to do something. My mom was going a little crazy, so I actually had to end up taking that end back off of there and re-gluing it because it just wasn't right. And then the top of it was coming loose. So what I did was just grab another 4x4, and this one was actually in my backyard. So I got 2 of them on there. And that top spot and that middle spot was kind of like the main issues. So I went ahead and re-glued those. And then you see I got them supported there so they'll stay still. Shoot, under than that, I got the sink over here. I just gotta install it. So I gotta cut out some holes back there for the drain, but we got an issue. If you can see, this drain line right here is right ahead of the damn track for the drawer. So what I'm about to do is take that back out, solder some new T's on there, make it come over more, and then so I can have a hole right on this side. So still just like little ass work to do, so it's just that right there, and then I gotta paint the ceiling white and change out this fixture right here. Actually was able to run the ground wire all the way from the basement up to this point right here. It was actually pretty crazy how I had to run it all the way from the basement, all the way up and over to this spot right here. Got that grounded so we can put a GFI right there, and it actually got a switch right here. So it works with the light up there. And now we got this plug grounded right here, which is really important. Artie, what you want, bro? You thirsty? Need some water or something? And we also gonna be switching the trim, so we got the trim in. I just gotta cut it. Well, no, I cut it already. They was bold when they came in, so I got my pack out sitting on top of it right now, and they're flattening back out. I'm gonna have to bring my damn air compressor here so I can nail this trim down, which is really irritating me. But I got in Milwaukee, and for some reason, it's not working right, man. It's like jammed, it keep getting jammed for some reason. So I'm about to send it back to them again. This is like the second time. And my drill, that thing been tweaking too. Might send that back, I don't know. They just need to give me a new tool at this point. But that keep jamming, so now I gotta go back to old school way and bring that here so I can nail that trim down, but it is what it is. So we almost there. I put the new fan in, new vent fan in here. I had to do a bunch more drywall. End up cracking this way, cracking that way, cracking over here. This whole block right here came out, so I had to put new drywall in there. But I got it mudded up, it's looking good. Same top over here. We get a new faucet because it's not long enough, and you can see that plate. I had to respray the tub again, so that got probably a total of like 5 coats. But it's how it should be now. Everything nice and shiny. Before it was like some dull spots. The shower head and stuff on. I'm waiting to put that water spigot on until I caulk. I just got to caulk this same one down there. Prime that little spot, paint it white. Paint the white trim, and then we'll be good in here. I just got done running the vent for this bathroom. Take a look at this. I just got done spray foaming around this light. Throw some of this insulation back. I really like touching this stuff. So you see we got our hose ran going outside right here. I might actually put some spray foam around there too. So we're currently putting in the faucet for the sink. Bathroom remodel. We at school right now. Work, school.
Daddy signed me up for his work school.
Yep.
It's not any school. It's better
Do the tight shit. Yeah. Twist. Tighten that back up. I'm gonna hold it on this side. Twist. Twist. Throw on. Don't touch that toilet, bro. Move. Already get your ass out.
This is hot.
Oh, Lord.
When you look right here.
Take it apart.
Do my muscle. See that? This is actually not. Look at that. White on the white and the red on the red.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
What else I do?
Huh? It says, very here. My face is there.
Yeah. All right.
This dude.
Get from in there, bro.
Get out, dude.
Tag, you're ready. Spray is liquid.
Take some muscle.
Ooh. Good.
My daughter needs tuition or a new family business, so I'm hustling for mine. Yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich, so I'm hustling for mine. Yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine. Yeah. So watch me go and get it.